Hi, I thought I'd talk today about some of Etsy's latest updates and changes. It's not great news, I'm afraid. They added again, rolling out some updates, and they're not great. First up, if you are wanting to open up a new Etsy shop, they're going to start charging $15 per shop to open a new shop. If you already are a seller and you want to open up a new shop, then it will come with a $15 charge as well. So every new shop you want to open, it will cost you another $15. They're also going to tighten up the security with ID checks. So if you want to open a new shop, you'll have to show your driver's license or passport and do a selfie on your computer or your phone to keep things safe and secure. They say I don't mind about the new security myself too fast, but the some people will be affected. Some people don't have a passport or a driver's license or that kind of thing. So unfortunately, there's another thing that they're looking at changing. They're looking at changing the payment schedules for new shops until they've got a proven track record of sales on Etsy. So that's for new sellers and for existing sellers that have a shop, that create a new shop. They'll need to wait longer to get their money. Lastly, and probably the worst news, Etsy is thinking of changing the listing fee. It's always been, well, for a long time, it's been 20 cents per listing. And every time it sells, you have to pay 20 cents again for the listing. Otherwise, if it doesn't sell, you pay 20 cents and it lasts for 4 months, and then you pay 20 cents again. And a lot of the YouTubers and a lot of the people who sell on Etsy, they say have a lot of listings. So all those 20 cents add up. They're thinking about doubling the fee to 40 cents a listing. So every single listing you put up will be 40 cents every 4 months. And every time you sell it, it will cost you another 40 cents plus all the other fees. So that's going to affect everyone. And from what I've read in the forums, it's going to mean that a lot of people end up leaving Etsy. So watch this space. We'll see if they do it or not. I hope they don't, but I think they're trying to get money in whichever way they can. I think they need to stop mucking about trying to upset sellers and need to start worrying about getting more traffic to their site. The more people that sell, the more sales Etsy makes, and it keeps everyone happy. So I wish they would concentrate on that, but apparently they are not. Thanks for watching. See you next time.